If we haven't met already, my name's Teresa. I'm a registered nurse and I specialize in head lice. I own my own lice center where I help people with lice, but way more important than that, I help people with lice on my lice advice. I teach you how to get rid of lice the same exact way that I do it in my lice center, by doing a professional lice treatment on your child at home that is 100% guaranteed to work. Here's how it works. You get the program and you get instant access to me as your lice coach, and I'm gonna walk you through every step of how to do this professional lice treatment on your child at home in a series of videos. You follow along with the videos. By the time you're done with them, both your child and your home are completely free of lice. Now, I know there's a lot of you that have wasted tons of money and time on lice kits and you still have lice. So let's talk about the difference between using a traditional lice kit method and using the My Lice Advice video system. The biggest difference between the two is the amount of support you receive. With a lice kit, you're just left on your own to try and figure it out. Whereas with the My Lice Advice video system, I'm actually with you every step of the way. I'm walking you through every step of the process. And if you have questions that are specific to your situation or your family, you can reach out to me. Lice kits rely on pesticides to try to kill lice. But lice have been growing immune to these pesticides for over 40 years now, so they don't really work anymore. In the My Lice Advice video system, you won't be using any lice kits or pesticides or anything toxic. Instead, I'm going to teach you the step-by-step process that lice professionals use to kill all of the lice bugs and all of the lice eggs. And getting the supplies to do a professional lice treatment is pretty cheap. You can get all of these supplies at your local store. Now, if you go the lice kit route, they require multiple treatments. You have to keep treating every week, and still it doesn't get rid of lice. Whereas the My Lice Advice video system and doing this professional treatment is so effective that it gets rid of lice in one treatment. Now, another big difference is if you go the lice kit method, you have to buy lice kits for everybody in the family. And if you have a big family, that's hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Whereas with the My Lice Advice video system, you can use that on everybody, and the supplies can be used on everyone in the family. And then lastly, obviously with lice kits, you're not going to be able to just take them back to the store when they don't work. And generally they don't work. Whereas with the My Lice Advice video system, there is a money back guarantee. If you're not happy with it for any reason, I'll give you your money back. It's that easy. And I know that this is going to work for you because I've used the same exact system in my lice center for years, and I have taught this same system in this program to parents around the world where they've followed along with the videos at home and they get rid of lice. Here's what people that use the My Lice Advice video system have to say about it.
These videos, they are totally worth it. They were detailed and sectioned.
It was straightforward, easy to navigate, and most of all, it came with personal support.
I cannot recommend this class enough. I've been texting every friend, shouting it from the rooftops.
I would highly recommend this to anyone looking for the one-stop shop to lice and getting rid of them for good.
So if you're serious about getting rid of lice and you're willing to put in the effort and follow along with the videos, then this program is right for you. The My Lice Advice video system comes with step-by-step videos. You're gonna have me as your professional lice coach, both in the videos and if you have any specific circumstances. And it all comes with a money-back guarantee, so you really have nothing to lose. You can get access to the My Lice Advice video system by going to my website, myliceadvice.com, or clicking in the description below and clicking any one of the links. I'll see you there.